Oh hey guys, we're at this beautiful place outside of Yekaterinburg, and guess what? I bought a drone, Mavic 2 Pro, just like I announced earlier. Well, today's a beautiful day, and I'll give you some picturesque shots of the nearby area.
What's happened?
Well, I don't know, I nearly lost my drone. You know, I guess I just lost that experience that I had from flying Phantom 4. But thank God I got it back. Oh my. Today we're filming with a filming.
Yeah.
Today we're filming with an iPhone 10. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. So tell me guys if you see the difference, because my mom, she took my camera. She was doing some studio recordings. She wanted to record some songs of her singing, and she wanted to film it like her doing it in the studio. We had a huge storm the other day, and this is what you get as a result. A lot of trees fell down. Actually, 3 people got killed in the city.
And that's me finally flying my drone. We came to this lovely place. It's called Revun. It's about 30 kilometers away from the city. That day we had wonderful weather, so lots of people came, you know, those bikers to your left, and there's the river down below, so you can go rafting, you can go rock climbing, and there's tons of other things to do. It's just a beautiful thing. You know, flying a drone, it definitely requires some experience, and I've owned 2 drones before this one, and it crashed, both of them. So I had this like fear of losing a drone. Now some more beautiful shots. Now this is the point when that was my first takeoff, and I lost connection to the drone. So see, it's trying to like find its way, and then I was able to see the picture, but then this is what I was able to see, you know. Oh my God, you know, nearly hit that rock. And so I was like, okay, I gotta take off so that I could see where I'm at. And the drone somehow ended up not what I was expecting it to be. So I was going back, and the battery was low, it was telling me, you need to land it. And this is when I was able to land it, okay? Wow.
Now the next place we're going to is called 7 Brothers, and it's going to be just as exciting. Okay.
Now this next place we went to, it's called the 7 Brothers, meaning brothers being those cliffs. You know, there's 7 like those rock formations. It's a pretty peaceful serenity. You know, it's a nice location. I have never been to this place before, and Grisha knows everything about it.
Grisha has taken us to this really cool spot. Now, I've lived in Sverdlovsk Oblast all my life, and I've never heard of this one. It's called 7 Brothers. And the reason for that name is you see those rocks, those cliffs, they got 7 of them along the river. This place is so picturesque. I mean, I was flying my drone, and I'll show you the footage, but these guys are having some kind of a music festival. I don't know, amateur, something like that, but they've been playing some guitar songs with amplifiers, good music, you know. It's been really awesome. These guys doing rock climbing, and I don't know nothing about that. So let me ask Grisha, because he knows something about it. Grisha, how difficult is this to climb this particular cliff?
It's medium. Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe some roads easier, some roads harder. For example, you can see the guy on the left part.
Okay. Yeah, that one. Okay.
Yeah, it's for beginners.
Wow, this looks like straight out of fairy tale. I was really impressed with these campers because they were so organized, and they were playing the guitar, they had some amplifiers, so the music was really loud, you know, and they had a fire, cooking some stuff, and obviously they were staying there for the night. You know, just a really cool bunch of people. It's kind of a blessing that the Russian population density is so low that you can still find these places with no people around you. I think that's pretty precious in today's world with 8 billion people living on planet Earth. So let's enjoy the scenery. Now here, it was on our way back. I decided to film some fields and you know, tractors working in the field. I always love shots like these. Now these houses are single family houses, and I particularly love this one. And that's me, sitting on a side of the road, having a good time. Look how happy I am, jumping for joy. That's right. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next awesome video. Thanks for watching, guys.